Hello, I'm Dr. Crystal. Journal writing removes mental blocks and allows you to use all of your brain power to better understand yourself, others, and the world around you. Let's talk about benefit number 6, which is journaling helps to resolve disagreements with others. Writing about misunderstandings rather than stewing over them will help you to understand another's point of view. When you write about things that have frustrated or upset you, you can begin to let go of some of the stress and gain perspective. You may be asking, well, how does this work? When you have thoughts and feelings floating around in your head and you actively put them into words, it forces you to work through and acknowledge the conflict, which is the first step in resolving a conflict. At a later time, you should go back and reread what you have written. Taking the time to think about what you said and how you were feeling helps to reframe your thoughts so you can think differently about the conflict and work towards coming up with possible resolutions that you wouldn't have thought of otherwise. If you're ready to give journaling a try and start to resolve disagreements with others in a healthy way, pre-order your copy today of one of my newly created journals and get on the path to a healthier you. As always, remember, fear is contagious, but so is joy.